Parker Pfister here, and I'd like to talk to you about your dangerously low levels of play and curiosity in your photographic career. When's the last time you took your little camera out and played? I mean played, not just like a different location or a new model. I mean really pushing it, playing, following curiosity, right? Getting curious. Wonder what happens when I do this or that, or wonder what's around that corner, wonder what's in that hole. All those kind of questions. Curiosity, I think, leads the way, but play gets you to the questions, right? I grew up in a family where curiosity was just a way of life. My dad was a scientist, my grandpa an inventor. Pretty much my whole family was an artist in some way or another. And when I look back on that, I see something in common. I'm connecting the dots here that we were all curious. They all experimented. They all pushed. They all played. I think somewhere along the way, many of us started believing that becoming a better artist meant becoming more serious, more technical, more precise, perfect. But I found the opposite is often true. 3, 2. Play isn't the opposite of mastery, it's the pathway to it. Every breakthrough I ever had, with a camera or for anything else for that matter, began with permission to wonder, to experiment, to make mistakes, to follow an idea that just doesn't even make logical sense sometimes. Children understand this instinctively. They learn by playing, they discover by exploring. They aren't afraid to fail because failure isn't even part of the equation. They don't even know what failure is. It's simply just a part of the adventure. And as artists, I think we need that space. We need that freedom as well. We need to remember it because it's in us. It's how we've learned to be us. We just need to remember how to play. Because when we stop playing, we stop noticing. When we stop noticing, we stop wondering. And when wonder disappears, creativity slowly follows. Some of the photographs I'm most proud of, they weren't planned. They weren't technically perfect. They happened because I gave my permission to chase curiosity instead of certainty. I believe every artist needs a place where there are no expectations, where experimentation matters more than perfection, and where questions are more valuable than answers. That's where real growth happens. That's where our own voice begins to emerge. So it's time for some voice lessons. It's time for a play date. So ask your mom if you can come over and have a play date, like a whole weekend of play. Imagine what could come of that. I hope to see you soon. Hi, I'm Parker Pfister, and I'd like to talk to you about the price of eggs. They are high. I don't like it. I'm not going to tolerate it anymore. I'm going to start growing my own chickens with the eggs that I'm not going to eat, but I'm going to eat the chickens. When does that run out? When do they catch each other? Which came first? Maybe I ought to go with pigs. Pigs have bacon. Bacon's good. Parker likes bacon. So, bald! Ah!